as we can see, does have a really strong hairline, really thick. So this is what it's giving, straight on your head. I probably should get a wig brush. Hold on. Sorry if y'all hear some noise in the background. I have my fan on. It gets super hot in my room, so yeah, bear with me. This is really red. Fire. Don't kill me if I'm combing it all crazy. Alright, I got to relax. Alright, so I'm gonna stand up and show y'all how long it is. I can't get it all on the screen. Definitely waist length, and I am 5'3", and it hits me here. Show it back of you. Alright, so let's make this look at least halfway decent. Alright, so I'm gonna clip this back. And get a good pair of tweezers. Get that kind of close. What we're gonna do is kind of pluck the hairline a little bit so it won't be so strong. Be careful not to pinch the lace so you won't make holes in it. I'm not going to spend too much time doing this because, you know, I'm not going nowhere with it, so I just want to get it from looking so straight. Y'all see the difference? First it was super duper sharp. Now we're giving a little bit of situations. Just speed this up a little bit. I'm actually gonna go off camera and finish plucking this. This is how much we took out. Much better. Much better. Alright, so let me get into it. That looks way better. Alright, we looking alright. I hope the sound quality is good because I don't have a microphone. Jesus. This is why I don't do synthetics. This will be all day long. I done shifted her. Alright, boom. Alright, let's make a part. Take my rat tail. Let's see, do we want to do a middle? Oh shit. Y'all see that part in space? Oh, can't go too far. Maybe it'll look better with a slight off center. So I feel like with middle parts, I like my middle parts to go kind of far back. Side parts you can get away with a little slight situation. This is the track, so we gotta get in there. Just pull that over there for a second. All right, come on. That's Mr. Synthetic for you. And this lace is very transparent. As you can see, you see my cap. I usually don't wear caps with any of my wigs just because of this. Maybe I should take the cap off. I don't know what's the part. Alright. That's better. So let's fix this part again. Alright. Boom. Brush that out. Alright, so I have this Anastasia contour kit and this little brush. I don't know where it's from. Don't worry about it, it's something cheap. I'm gonna use this light one. And I'm gonna just then I'm gonna follow up with something a little bit darker because this looks a little bit light. Yeah, there we go. Rub it in. Boom, okay? Because what you won't do, so no, I'm gonna cut the lace off now. Oh, sis. Let's pin her back. Just cut at the center. You know how we looking in the mirror. Cut around the hairline, and this actually covers my hairline pretty good. Like most wigs don't cover my whole hairline because my temples kind of dip in far, so I usually have some hair out right there. But sis, she got me covered. Alright, so I'm gonna install this wig using just the Gotta Be Glued spray, blast and freeze spray. So literally all you do, spray that shit on your hairline, flip the wig out the way a little bit, keep it in position. Shit cold. Another layer. Don't have it dripping all down your face. And it's just dripping down my face. It should be getting sticky. I'm just gonna pull the wig where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna use my rat tail comb to help me out. I'm gonna just take one of my styling strips, tie that bad boy down. That's enough. Alright, we on there. Now let's try to finesse some baby hairs. So we're gonna pull it out. And don't worry if little pieces of the wig is still a little lifted, because I mean it's on there. Once we lay the edges, it'll get like the very front of that thing down. So I'll take my razor comb, cut it. Then I'm gonna use some edge control. Gonna make it do what it do. And this is some really good edge control, y'all. Make a few little swoops or what have you. Alright, so that's pretty decent for me as far as this hair is concerned. Okay, that powder, and I'm gonna take the darker one that I used and go ahead and put that on the lace. So that's what we giving. Go ahead, take it down. Brush her out again. See, I ain't got time for this. You move, it's tangled. I just comb this side. Alright. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's cute for a little cosplay, a little one-time situation. I wouldn't go out the house, me personally, but somebody can. You can give a few pictures in this. Yeah, this wig does tangle quite a bit. Could be me though, could be me. I mean, y'all see the way I'm handling it, so you can let me know if it's me or not. Got some shedding. So that is pretty much it. Let me get in kind of close so y'all can see the part. See, this wig don't like me for real. Turn around. Anytime this hair moves, like I said, I am 5'3", and it is at my waist. So that is the end of this video. Let me know what y'all think. Is it cute? Should I wear it for Halloween? What y'all think? If y'all have this wig, let me know your experiences with it. I might give a few little Snapchat pictures. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try to be a little more consistent. I know I'm in and out. Let me see what she's gonna give in a ponytail. What if we gave her My bad, y'all. Didn't mean to hold you. Sign off. Alright, y'all. I'm out.